Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up now and I don't know what to do. It's self-quarantine. So I was just thinking that let's make a scrub today. Let's have some DIY. So let's get started. Oh yeah, and one more thing. This scrub is a night scrub. You're not supposed to use it in the morning because it contains lemon and it's citric acid. So if you go out, you might get tanned basically. So yeah, that's why I'm calling it a night scrub. If you're gonna use it in the morning, then I would suggest you not to go out. All right, so let's get started. So let me show you some of my scrubs and bathing products. So the first one is Coco Sheer Coconut from Bath and Body Works, and then the Scrub for Life from Soap and Glory, gifted by one of my lovely friend Rashmini. And Rituals, oh my god, I love it. It's sweet and orange cedar wood. Oh my god, I love the fragrance. It's amazing. One of my best scrubs. And foot scrub from Freeman. I got this from US. They actually have some good collections. And this is bath bombs if you have bathtub. This is from Bodycology, again from US. And then we have the Dr. Teal's soaking solution salt, which we're going to use today in the scrub. So it's shea butter and almond oil. It softens and moisturizes. It actually gives a good texture. If you don't have the salt, you have many options, guys. I'll let you know. And this is coffee scrub, which I'll tell you guys next time. Okay. So let's start with the ingredients. The first thing is the salt. You get these different types of salts in the market. This is from US. Actually, I got it from Philadelphia. So Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution is just a salt, you know, like those bathing salts you get in the market. But it's quite blended, but it gives you a good texture when you scrub it. If you don't have this, you can also use sugar, you know, the powdered sugar, not the sugar cubes. Some baking soda. If you also want some, you know, vitamin E capsule, just pop it in, or some essential oils to have that aroma, and olive oil and lime. Guys, so now I'm preparing the scrub. Please use it as per your quantity, and this is my random quantity which I prepared. There you go, it's done. Easy and cheap homemade scrub. And look at the consistency. It should be like that, neither thinner than this nor thicker, otherwise it won't give you a good texture. Put it in a nice container like this, preferably the glass container, so that you can see which scrub is it. And that's it. So yeah, we did it. The scrub is done. So the best results you'll get it after soaking your body. Try and soak your body. If you don't soak your body, that's fine. If you have a bathtub, soak your body with a bath bomb, or if you don't have a bath bomb, that's fine. 15-10 minutes soaking, and that's it. Get up, use a scrub your body, and then rinse it off. Use some moisturizer. That's it. You have an amazing skin. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget, and love you all. And yes guys, I forgot to tell you, you can use this twice or thrice a week, and that's it. See you next time.